Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve one particular error. That is, I am facing that error, attribute error, module TensorFlow dot python dot keras dot utils dot generic underscore utils has no attribute. Populate dict with module objects. I'm trying to execute that particular project, bottle refactor detection, and got that error. So it seems that error of TensorFlow version. So first check the code. Here we are importing the TensorFlow library .keras .models. So let's change this line and write from TensorFlow dot keras import models. Okay, let's open terminal here and check the TensorFlow version. If show. After that, we have to first check the Python version, like Python is installed or not. So let's write edit environment variable, then enter. So just click on the environment variable, double click on path, and Python 3.8 is already installed and added to the particular location. Like you can see, double click on the just location and control C, then OK, open file explorer and paste location here and enter. Python 3.8 is already installed and script folder is already there in the environment variable. First, you have to check the TensorFlow version. So just write pip show TensorFlow, enter. Now the version is 2.2.1 TensorFlow version. So we have to change the version. Write pip install TensorFlow is equal to 2.5.0. Then press enter. So just install TensorFlow is equal to 2.5.0. So let them install. Now it is around 422.6 MB. So let them download. Then it will resolve the issue. So after installation of that particular TensorFlow version, it will resolve the issue. And this video will may longer. So let's end this video here. We'll again connect with the next session. And if you're in doubt, then you can comment the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're facing any error in your particular project which you are working on it, then just let me know in the comment section, or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will provide the contact in description. And we are providing projects in multiple domains like Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network. So if you want any type of project ideas or projects, then you can contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.